how to update your thumbnail in 2026. So if you have noticed, when you upload your video on your ad manager, you no longer have the option to update your thumbnail. So for example, if you click on customize thumbnail, you are not going to have the option to upload your thumbnail, because what they will allow you to do is to use only the thumbnail. Let me show you. To use only the thumbnail that is already inside the video. So but if you now want to upload a different thumbnail from your laptop, there is no option for that. I know you have probably gotten across this and you are wondering, how can I upload the thumbnail? Because personally, I have seen one video give me far better results because I use different thumbnails for the same video. So when they removed that option, I was like, wow, this is going to affect how we get results. But I found a way around it. So all you need to do is to come to this place. Let me show you here. Come to this media. Come to this media and just bring your cursor down. Click on this return to original single media experience. I want you to switch to that one instead of the other one that you are using before. Switch to this return to original single media experience. So I'm going to click right there now. So all you can see now, I'm already there and we are now back to our normal media experience. So you can click on edit media right here, click on edit video, click on thumbnail, just the normal way we used to do it, and you go to manual thumbnail and you'll be able to upload a different thumbnail. This was not possible when you were using the other one, but we were able to switch to the single media experience and we are now able to upload a thumbnail. So these are different thumbnails. If I don't like any one here, I can click on upload and it will take me to my laptop where I will now pick one and upload. All right, so you probably don't have this option now. And that's why I said you need to go to this place. Let me go over it again. Come to this media. Right now, we are in a single media experience. So if we want to switch back to that one, we can go to switch to multimedia experience. And it's going to take us back to where we can no longer upload a thumbnail. But now we are going to be on a single media experience. Okay, so return to single media experience. Now we can click on edit media, edit video, and upload our thumbnail. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to understand that using thumbnail can dramatically help your video get better results. What I mean is this: if one of your video was supposed to give you 10 conversion in a day, using the same video but changing the thumbnail can increase your conversion up to 40 different conversion in one day, because thumbnail is the first thing that people see. It's more like when you see any video on Facebook, before you tap on that play, there is already a picture you are seeing on the screen, right? So that picture is a thumbnail and you have the option to change it when you are running ad. So once you have the option, you are able to maximize your video to get you better results. For example, if you are not able to change your thumbnail and you create the same video with several campaigns, once people see that video, they will naturally believe that they have seen it before, because the first picture they are seeing is what they have seen before. But if you now upload different thumbnails, it's more like when they see this one, they are going to be forced to play it because they have not seen that thumbnail before. Now when they play it, the video start playing. Sometimes they might not even remember that they have seen it before, but just by seeing that picture that is different from what they have seen will drag them to open it and watch the video. And if your hook is very attention grabbing, the rest is history, because it's going to now grab them attention and get them to watch the video and possibly take action. So if you find this video helpful, go and try it on your own Facebook ad manager. I hope this helps. Facebook advert is constantly changing, and if you are not up to date, you are always going to be struggling to get results with your ad. And that is why I created this program called Simple Facebook Ad That Converts. This is a program that is going to show you all the updated Facebook ad strategy that is working right now. And every time there is a new update, I record a new video and upload to the program. So this is a program that you need to get right now. It comes with over 13 free amazing bonuses and over 6 modules. This is a Facebook ad that is going to give you fantastic results. Over 500 people have taken the program and the testimonials are amazing. Like you can see some of the screenshots on your screen. All you need to do is to click the link in the description, go and grab the Facebook ad program. Right now, you are getting 13 amazing bonuses, but these bonuses are limited for a very short time. So if you don't get it now, you might not get that bonus again. And the price will also increase at a shortest time. All you need to do now is to click on the link in the description, grab the Facebook ad program, and I will see you on the inside.